is Olivia here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Before we get started, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coach to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link in the description for that. Now back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 4 awesome bonuses. Bonus 1, how to get 250,000 new subscribers every single Friday. Bonus 2, flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 3, how to rank your videos first in YouTube. Updated bonus 4 to 100% commission to promote my coach's Empire course on Warrior Plus, 50% on the monthly recurring. These bonuses are very valuable, so take action now. These bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside Warrior Plus. Let's get started with the review video.
Hey JVs, no time to waste. Here's why promoting our upcoming launch is the best idea since sliced bread. SpinRewriter is the world's most advanced and best-selling article spinning tool, and we've been around since 2011, which means we've learned a thing or two in the process. Since 2011, SpinRewriter alone has brought in over $17.1 million in sales, and much more importantly than that, we've already paid out more than $7.3 million to our awesome affiliates, which is you guys, and you guys are just the best. For this upcoming launch, we'll be paying out 50% recurring commissions on every single product in our entire funnel, forever. You really do just promote us once, and you'll be making money for months and years to come. On top of the 50% recurring lifetime commissions, we'll also be running a sweet JV contest with more than $10,000 in prizes, ranging from a hotel stay in the Maldives and airfare around the world to the brand new iPhones, iPads, Kindles, and more. Of course, there's no minimums on any of the prizes, because we know you guys are amazing, and we're super confident that we'll convert like crazy for you. Now, lower on this page, you'll find our extremely profitable and time-proven funnel for the upcoming launch, which lets you make over $160 in commissions for every single front-end sign-up that you send our way. Over the past 12 years, we've run 244 split tests on our funnel, and as a result, our affiliates are now seeing EPCs that are through the roof. Now, this all sounds good and well, but what are some of the biggest names in our industry saying about us? Let's take a look.
I've promoted SpinRewriter several times and made nearly $10,000 in commissions. The product is rock solid. The service on the back end to your customers is fantastic. So as an affiliate, you can make great money and be assured that your customers are getting well looked after when you're promoting SpinRewriter. Love the guys there. They really look after their software and their people, and of course their affiliates.
I started promoting SpinRewriter back in the early days when you first launched it, I think. And so I've been promoting it throughout all the versions, and it keeps getting better all the time. And I don't just promote it to my list, I also use it myself in my own business. And I find that actually it is probably the best product in the market for what it does.
Aaron has just closed out a very profitable 5-figure promo for one of my products, and I've had the pleasure of also promoting him. He puts 110% into absolutely everything that he does. So if you have an opportunity to jump on one of his launches or promote one of his products or just work with him, then I highly recommend that you do so.
The thing that I was blown away with most from SpinRewriter, apart from it being a fantastic product, was how well it was put together, how well it was supported, how professional the setup behind it was, and just how supportive Aaron was in helping me promote it and get it integrated with Fresh Start Builder. Since then, I promoted it on several different launches of his, and I continue to promote it internally. And his affiliate program is fantastic. It's generous, it's recurring, and I've made a lot of money through Aaron, but more importantly, my customers are happy with him, and that's what it's all about. Thank you to Aaron as well for supporting me on my product launches. He always sends a lot of traffic, and he always does really well. And he's always on the leaderboard for my launches as I am for his. So thanks very much, Aaron, and best of luck with your launch. See you soon.
Okay, so as these awesome guys have told you, we take great care of our affiliates. And this is why we've got professionally crafted email swipes, videos and banners, all ready and waiting for you. We've also got a collection of 6 high-value bonuses that you can use as your own bonus package. And lower on this page, you'll even find a video with instructions and 4 specific tips that will make our upcoming launch an easy 5-figure promo for you. Now, most importantly, due to the quality of our product and our offer, your subscribers will actually love you for telling them about SpinRewriter. So this is all pretty cool, right? Lower on this page, you'll also hear from some other big names in our industry, such as Chris Munch, Ricky Matejka, Simon Greenhalgh, and Chris Winters, and they'll all tell you something else as well. We always reciprocate, and lower on this page you'll find just some examples of the kind of heat that we're going to bring to your future launches as well. So join us for the revolutionary SpinRewriter AI launch on October 11th, and let's make a lot of people very happy together. Sign up below and have a great day.
All right, folks, that wraps it up for today. If you found this review helpful and you're serious about reaching those 10K months, then you won't want to miss out on this program. Trust me, it complements what you'll learn in program perfectly, taking your business to the next level. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on it today. You won't find this deal anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with anyone who could benefit, and subscribe for more game-changing advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.